Hey everybody, and we're going to talk a little bit of like job management, acre counter, etc., and how to use this thing. So you just go in this screen, the one with the numbers in the computer, use your left dial here, and then so you have, on this machine we have a power monitor, but the first one here is job management, so you can have a bunch of choices, stuff to do. So you just go in there, you can start and stop a job, and that's pretty self-explanatory. And then the third one here, you just click on it, and then you click again, and then this white line will line up and you can scroll through, and you have 20 acre counters you can set, job counters I guess, and then you would just pick the one you wanted. I'm not going to, obviously. And then this one will tell you your hours and stuff that you've worked here so far and acres. But say, and then like here, yeah, here's the screen, the I is your information. You can just click and scroll down, and it has a bunch of stuff. And then version tells you, and if you have GPS, it actually tells you latitude and longitude and altitude. So yeah, and then if you make a mistake and you accidentally didn't set your width properly, you can adjust your acre counter. Say you're stopped like I am here, you just hit stop on stop the job, and then you can turn over to this one, area correction. Click on it, come down to corrected area, and then it'll come up here and you can change it like that, and there it changes. And then come back over here and hit start again, and then that option grays out. You can't do it while you're running. Yeah, and then you have your daily, which is just every day you can reset it. So yeah, and there's resetting here. You just click once, and if you want to reset it again, you'd go down and click yes, but I'm not going to reset mine. And then of course total machine hours and all that kind of fun stuff in here. Yep, and that's how that works. I don't know what else you can tell you on that thing, but that was one thing. And then plus, I guess since we're talking area counting, go in your first one here, your header picture, and then click this first one. It's front attachment parameters, so you can change your working width, type of front attachment. You can see all the choices there. And then this is if you're picking up like half rows or half swaths or something. I have it set at 12, just yeah, and then you just choose. And then of course your sensitivity on your Claas auto contour or whatever. Since I'm running a pickup down here, 380 with the auto contour on it, you can make a bunch of adjustments in here. But I think the only one for the contour for the pickup anyway is this one, the cutting height adjustment. And you just gotta kind of watch it. You don't want it jumping around too much. I keep the sensitivity way down. This one's real sensitive. Like you just, yeah, okay, yeah, you have to have the knives running. It's very sensitive, like there. So if you put the header up and then let it down, it's very sensitive. Any little bump and it's making an adjustment. Our other machine is a lot more smooth, I guess you could say. So I don't know what that's all about, but yeah. And then just hold on a minute here. I'm gonna make the main drive shut off because I don't want the knives on. Yeah, okay, we know. And then of course cross leveling control, I think that's corn header for side to side tilt. There we go. And then fast manual raising is of course on this button here. You have slow, pick it up slow, or you push harder and you can pick it up fast, and that's that speed. Fast manual lowering is the same thing. And automatic drop rate is when you have it up in the air with your knives on and you turn your contour on with the side button down here on the bottom. Then that's how fast the header will go down and set itself. And then you have automatic cutting height here. I just set one higher for end of the row when you lift your header. And then here's your working position for area calculation. So the way that works, it's at 50. And the way that works is that's this number. So as soon as my header here would hit 50 on that number, so I just have to put it down a little from where it is here, then it counts acres. And I actually should turn that up by the looks of it a little bit. We'll put it at 60. And we got a truck coming here, so I'm going to get going. And we'll just fire this thing up. So there's the contour, and you'll see this lights up. And then if you want to change it, you just come over here to this right-hand dial and click it once to the left, and that's your contour pressure you're running, 90%. I say percent, I guess, probably what it is. And then you have two choices. You can push the button once for one choice, push it second time for another choice. it'll just change itself. And then of course your pre-selected height. And I have 2 heights set. Once for, I think when I open the front end up, it's so it puts it kind of close to where it's supposed to be. But anyways, I gotta get going. I got a truck here, so have a good day.